If a creator made the universe from nothing, what was used to make it? And if that creator was already complete, why was any creation needed? These questions lead to a more basic one. Was the universe ever created? The Yoga Vasistha, an Indian philosophical text, written as a dialogue between a teacher and a prince, gives an unusual answer. The universe appears to exist, but no separate universe was ever produced. Creation is an appearance within consciousness. That idea becomes clear once one term is understood: Brahman. Brahman means the basic reality behind every experience. The text describes it as unlimited consciousness. Consciousness means the simple fact that something is known. A bell rings, the sound is heard. A thought enters the mind, and that thought is noticed. The sound soon ends, the thought also changes, yet the awareness that knew them is still present. That awareness is the starting point. Consider a chair. Its color is seen, and its hard surface is felt. Everything known about the chair comes through experience. Sight tells us about its color. Touch tells us that it is solid. Even the statement, "the chair is still there when nobody looks at it," is known as a thought within awareness. The chair remains a shared physical object that other people can see, and it obeys the laws of physics. The point is simply that every fact about it becomes known within consciousness. Brahman is the name for this consciousness when it is understood as unlimited. It has no physical shape, because every shape is something seen. It cannot be placed in one location, because every location is also known within consciousness. Ordinary creation requires material that already exists. A potter shapes a bowl from clay. The bowl is new, but the clay was already present. What material could be used to make the whole universe? Suppose some material existed outside Brahman. Then Brahman would have a limit. Consciousness would exist here, and another substance would exist somewhere beyond it. An unlimited reality would no longer be unlimited. Perhaps Brahman changed itself into matter. Clay can become a bowl because it is already physical. It can be pressed and shaped. Consciousness has no weight or physical surface that can be turned into a planet. If Brahman changed into the universe, the basic reality itself would change. Something that changes cannot be the permanent basis of all change. Yoga Vasistha, therefore, says that no separate material universe was produced from Brahman. Every planned action has a reason. A person drinks because of thirst. A leaking roof is repaired because water is entering the house. Action begins when something is missing or needs to change. Brahman is complete. Nothing exists outside it, so nothing can be missing from it. If Brahman created the universe to gain something, it was incomplete before creation. The same problem appears if creation was meant to provide pleasure. Thought and desire belong to the mind. Brahman is the consciousness in which the mind appears. The image of Brahman making a plan and beginning construction does not fit this idea. There was also no time when Brahman waited before creating the universe. Time is already part of the universe being explained. There cannot be a time before time. A dream gives a simple example. During a dream, a person may walk through a city and speak with other people. Roads have distance, and everything feels external to the dreamer. Then the person wakes. No physical city was built inside the head. No real road was laid down. A complete experience appeared within the mind, although no separate material was used to make it. Waking life is far more stable and follows consistent physical laws. The comparison makes only one point. A world can appear without material outside the consciousness experiencing it. Yoga Vasistha applies this point to the universe. Forms appear in consciousness, but they never become separate from it. The world feels real because it is steady and shared. The same street is present each morning. Other people see it too. Memory connects yesterday with today, so life feels like one continuous story. The body also makes the world feel immediate. Hunger demands food, while pain forces attention. These experiences carry real force within daily life. This is why the teaching does not ask anyone to ignore the world. A moving car must be avoided. A sick body needs care. The word unreal has a special meaning here. It means dependent, not useless or invisible. A reflection depends on a mirror. It can be clearly seen, but it cannot exist without the mirror. In the same way, the world is experienced clearly, but every known part of it depends upon consciousness. The world feels independent because attention is fixed on objects. The awareness in which those objects appear is usually ignored. Yoga Vasistha uses a short example to explain how the mind invents a cause. A crow lands on a palm tree. At that exact moment, a ripe fruit falls. Someone watching may think the crow caused the fruit to fall, yet the fruit may already have been loose. The two events happen together, but one may not have caused the other. This is called kaktaliya, the coincidence of the crow and the palm fruit. Now apply it to creation. Consciousness is present, and the universe appears. The mind connects them and says, consciousness created the universe, but seeing two things together does not prove that one produced the other. According to the text, the universe is consciousness, appearing through many forms. A second substance was never created. The final idea is simple. Nothing ever began as a reality separate from Brahman. Objects appear and disappear. Awareness remains through each change. A sound begins and ends. A thought follows it. The sound and the thought are different, but both appear within the same awareness. Awareness does not break into separate pieces each time its contents change. Yoga Vasistha applies this principle to the whole universe. Worlds may appear within consciousness, but no second reality is produced. Causes still work in daily life. Fire heats water, and builders make houses. These causes explain changes within the world, but not the existence of the whole world. The question, who created the universe, begins by treating the universe as a separate object. Then it searches for a maker. No material exists outside unlimited consciousness. Brahman also has no unfulfilled need that could cause it to act. A separate universe has nowhere beyond the unlimited to exist. The universe appears. It follows rules and it affects the body, yet every part of it is known within consciousness. Nothing was produced outside Brahman. Nothing became separate from it. What we call creation is the appearance of many forms within one undivided consciousness. The forms change. Consciousness remains. Nothing has ever been created as a separate reality, and nothing ever ceases to be.